This is Louis de Broglie. It's not Broglie. This was his PhD dissertation. Talk about starting out strong. I think the biggest challenge in a classroom is to get people to participate in the process. So why do we talk about this in the context of X-rays being scattered? Hannah. A classroom experience should be a conversation. And your task was to find the frequency at which this curve maxes out. I would hope that every single class at KU was helping students learn how to think about their world, how they approach it, the questions they ask, how do you find answers. And that was the piece that enabled us to expand E to the HC over lambda over KT into something that's just approximately 1 plus HC over lambda KT. So people come here who want to go to graduate school and be an astrophysics researcher of some sort, or they may want to go to work for NASA, they may want to work for SpaceX. That's one I'm hearing more often. I hope SpaceX is hiring a lot because there are a lot of people coming that way. Well, in designing an experiment, there's a question we want to answer, and we've got stars to give us information, but we have to filter, literally, the information that we get from stars. So when we look at a group of stars, we want to understand the chemical history of the whole galaxy, and each star expresses that at some level. We study star clusters because they're pretty visible and understandable examples and snapshots of how the galaxy was. That helps us understand how the galaxy has developed across space and time. The 50th anniversary of Star Trek was celebrated within the last couple of weeks, and I thought, oh, that's where I was. I was in my teens, both for that and the incredible events of the 60s with respect to the manned spaceflight program.
We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Shadow. 4 forward, drift into the right a little. 30 seconds forward. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
In that experiment, there's an X-ray photon, and in the after picture, we have a photon deflected, apparently, at some angle theta. Nobody really minds being called a geek around here. These are kids who want to go to Mars. The market for people with technical skills, computer skills, problem-solving skills is very, very dynamic, and that's something that young people are excited about and embrace.